Hi, and welcome to the GeoSearch short video presentation. We're highlighting today one of our recent customers, Dermatex Hair. So it's been about 6 weeks since they've been deployed, and we built what is known as a gateway website. What that means is they have their corporate site, Dermatex Hair, which has, let's see how many pages. We did a site colon already, so if you do site ... you can put any website here, and it'll tell you how many pages they have. In this case, they have 54 pages. We didn't touch those. We leave them be because this is the way they want their website to be seen. We built a separate website. Here's what that looks like. Same navigation bar up top, except for Google hits and crawls these different pages because this is new content, new pages built to drive traffic and new customers for Dermatex Hair. So let's click one. Let's click the top one, Advanced Hair Loss Treatments. They want to target all of these cities that you see on the screen. So each one of these cities, along with that keyword that we just clicked, will create a specific page. So this page is targeting anybody who's searching in Long Beach, California for advanced hair loss treatments, and it has content on it. If we go back, let's look at Anaheim. If we click that, same thing. This is a destination page that Google will rank and put page one is our goal, obviously, so people can find this customer. Now, let's do a site colon for our gateway, Dermatex Hair. So the difference between them is there's a hyphen. We have 241 pages. These are built with the express job of getting ranked page one to start driving results. So let's check that out now. This is what we call our rankings page. So all our customers get one of these. So if you click, let's just click the top one, that's that same advanced hair loss treatments. If we click that, it populates that exact keyword term up here in Google, and it will show you where we're coming up. So this is page one, and we are coming up right here. It appears to be result number 6, Dermatex Hair. And if we click that, that's that page we were showing you earlier. Okay, so let's go back. Let's just click the next one down, Anaheim, California, for the same hair loss. And here we are, we're coming up number 4. Keep in mind, those first 3 results we see here, those are ads. That's pay-per-click. They're probably paying $4, $5, $6 a click, maybe more, in this highly competitive marketplace. We're there organically, number 4. And it's just begun. We're going to be growing our pages because it's only been 6 weeks. As time goes, they get up higher, close to number 1, 2, or 3. Let's go look at Irvine for kicks. We'll go one more. And this is page 1, and we are coming up. Let's see, number 9. See, we're still page 1. Number 9 is not our ultimate destination, but we're there. Google is aware of us. They've put us page 1, number 9, and we will crawl up higher as the content comes more and more into play as time goes. Now let's go click a different category. So let's go to the hair regrowth therapy, and we'll click another city. Let's say Costa Mesa, for instance. So in Costa Mesa, we are page 1. There we are. We're coming up twice. So we're coming up number 8 and number 9 2 times. So for hair loss solutions and for advanced hair loss treatments, that's great. When you can take 2 spots on page 1 of Google, guess what? That means you've knocked down 2 of your customers off of page 1 and you've taken 2 of those spots. Let's try a different category. Let's go look at women's hair loss, and let's try a different city, Laguna Niguel. So here you can see we do have a Google Places page. So the first 3 ads are Google ads. Obviously, people are paying if you click. For instance, if I click here, Ziering Hair Restoration, I just charge that guy, who knows, $10, $15 possibly. But here is Dermatex coming up number 2. This is great because Google Places only shows 3 results now. You have to click here to see more. So they'll show 3 on page 1. They're number 2. Probably because of our gateway, which points into them. So it's a great backlink, and their own website. And here we are, page 1, and we're coming up number 6 and 7. And look, number 9 is Dermatex Hair. This is one of those instances that we found their own corporate website up here. But remember, these are our gateway, and you can tell by it saying Dermatex Hair. And we've got 2 results. So guess what? They've got 3 results on page 1. So 10 organic possibilities every page for Google. That means 3 out of 10 is dermatex hair. That'll tell the customer that, hey, these guys are pretty good. They're up there 3 times. Let's go look at hair transplants, and let's try a different city. We'll go to Dana Point. And page 1, Dana Point, there we are right underneath the Google Places, which is the #1 result. That's page 1, #1. Let's try looking at hair transplants, and we can go to San Juan Capistrano. And for San Juan, again, getting more Google results, and we're there twice. That's the #1, and that's the #2 result on page 1. So that's very powerful. So as you can see, I'll scroll down and show you all these different categories we have, all the way down to the bottom for thinning hair. Let's check out thinning hair in another city we haven't tried yet. Let's do Fountain Valley. And Fountain Valley, there we are, #1. Let's go check out another one. Let's try Rancho Santa Margarita. And there we are, #2. So page 1, #2. And last but not least, let's go check out Newport Beach. That's a very affluent place where people definitely want to have a full head of hair right up into their 90s, and they can afford to do so. And there we are, #3. So that's just an example of the power of this technology to drive traffic. When it comes to hair replacement, obviously you get a customer, it's thousands and thousands of dollars. And this service we just showed you for this customer, this is a Power Pack 200 and costs $399 a month. So you can just imagine that just one customer a month paying them $5,000 to $15,000 for hair grafting, for hair replacement, more than pays for the marketing that got their customer there. And imagine if they sign 2, 3, or 4 customers a month, and they will as time goes, as our pages keep climbing higher and higher in the search engines. Let's look at one more result just for good measure, laser hair regrowth. And here we are coming up #2, 3, and 4. So we have 3 results, page 1, very powerful stuff. So if you need your website to come up to the top of the search engines, we can definitely help you. And if you think about dermatex hair and their business model, they help people that are balding or are bald or have spots that they're bald. Same thing with GeoSearch. If you have areas, marketplaces that you have no presence, we can fill that in for you. We can get you to page 1. If you have no presence, in other words, your online marketing is bald, we can help you. We can definitely get you full coverage. So get you exposure online for the keywords and in the areas that you want to market to. Whether we do a gateway or put our pages on your website, which is done via FTP, it will definitely grow pages that will get you to the top of Google where everybody searches. Think about it for yourself. How often you go to page 2 or 3? Page 1 is where it all happens. And if you're at page 1, you'll drive the traffic, you'll gain new customers, and you'll grow your business. So definitely speak with your GeoSearch representative, and we look forward to helping your website grow online.